There was once a man named Thomas who worked as a humble builder in a small town. Every day he laid bricks, one by one, building homes for other people. He lived a simple life, earning just enough to cover his family's needs. But unlike many who spent everything they earned, Thomas had a vision. He believed that wealth wasn't something that arrived suddenly like a lottery ticket, but something carefully built brick by brick, just like the houses he worked on. From his very first paycheck, he committed to saving a small portion, no matter how little it was. At first, it felt like nothing, just a few coins, a few dollars set aside. But Thomas trusted the process, reminding himself that a strong wall begins with a single brick. While his co-workers spent freely on pleasures and luxuries, Thomas practiced discipline. He chose patience over instant gratification, investing his savings into tools, skills, and small opportunities. Slowly, his money began to grow. He bought better equipment, which allowed him to take on larger projects. With each completed job, he saved more, invested more, and expanded his work. It was not easy. Many times he was tempted to spend like everyone else to enjoy quick pleasures, but he resisted, holding on to his long-term vision. Years passed, and the man who once built houses for others began to build wealth for himself. He purchased a small piece of land and developed it into rental homes. The rent became a steady stream of income, which he reinvested into more properties. Soon, Thomas was no longer just a builder of houses. He had become a builder of wealth. His reputation grew, his influence expanded, and he provided jobs for others in his community. What started as a simple habit of saving and reinvesting grew into an empire of financial stability. The lesson from Thomas's life is clear. Wealth is not created overnight. It is not the result of luck, shortcuts, or reckless risks. Real wealth is built brick by brick through consistency, discipline, and patience. Each decision to save instead of spend, each choice to invest instead of waste, is another brick in the foundation of financial freedom. Many people dream of sudden riches, but those dreams often collapse because they lack the structure of steady habits. Thomas's story reminds us that even the smallest steps, when repeated over time, can create extraordinary results. If you are someone who feels overwhelmed by the idea of building wealth, remember the builder's story. You don't need to start with millions. You need to start with one brick, one small saving, one smart choice, one disciplined habit. Over time, those bricks stack together into a wall of financial security and eventually into a home of wealth. Never underestimate the power of small, consistent actions. Your financial future is not built in a day. It is built daily, with every choice you make. If this story inspired you to start laying your own financial bricks and commit to building wealth step by step, then like this video, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more powerful money stories and lessons. Your journey to financial freedom starts today, one brick at a time.